Prep day for Hendry County has sort of begun. Begun. Yeah. But we got things to do. Got gear change.
Yes. Yeah, change the gear and load the trailer.
That's it. I'll be ready, hopefully, if it's still a go for Saturday.
Yeah.
About that. We'll explain later.
Look at that, bubble free.
You're not going to quit your day job for wrapping cars?
I'm actually not bad at it.
Hey, how you feeling down there?
Tired.
You need a pillow?
Uh-huh.
So you need a pillow down there while you change the oil or the gear?
Oh. You guys might not see me the rest of the day.
He's a little
Under the weather.
we'll call it that. Switching out gears for Hendry. Hopefully we get the right one. I think we should be, according to like what we ran at EASTBAY, and I think it is the same size track.
Yeah, it looks a little tighter.
Yeah, it's a little tighter, so we're just gonna go up a smidge on the gearing. So hopefully we're in the ballpark and not banging off the chip going down the straightaway. I was like, well, I hope that noise wasn't rolling in the pan.
No.
Does it work? Yeah, man, see? The things you find on YouTube.
Heck yeah. Let that drain out.
Yeah.
Pull this out. There we go. It's because I'm on video. I do this in like 3 seconds every other time.
Yeah? It's not because you're under the weather?
I mean, that possibly could have a lot to do with it.
Well, we'll blame it on that. Are you taking a nap over there?
No, I'm plotting my next move.
Strategically, just not wanting to move as much.
Yeah, pretty much.
Still underneath the weather. This guy. But we're trying to check the toe. Still don't know what we're doing. We're just gonna wing it. Hendry's pretty tight, so I honestly we don't know. We're just gonna go to what we know, and hopefully that pays out. I mean, every spot pays out, right? So we get a start, it pays out.
Oh yeah, we're coming home with $200.
Regardless, we're coming home with a right rear tire. Are you there?
Yeah.
I moved in like a quarter.
Okay, so what's that? Backside.
I can just cut it out that number, it's not a big deal. No slack or anything? It's the same. Okay. Cool. Is that what we need?
Yeah.
We can say that. It's the spare.
There you go. Let's get
Put it on the.
a Fiesta.
Here, hold it up and see what the. Yeah.
All right.
Work. What do you think?
Yeah.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh, there's more?
Oh, yeah, we got some new goodies this week.
Oh yeah. So we got some new goodies. We got some rags. And we got a bead breaker, which we needed at EASTBAY.
But wait, there's more.
Yeah.
Shining.
Got some shiny new Kaiser wheels. Some spare fronts for us. We'll get some tires, get those mounted up.
Noise.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Smells new. Smells like CNC. What does it smell like? It smells like it needs to be used.
Yeah.
Used and abused, leave it in the box.
Yeah, we'll just leave it for now. So we gotta grab some tires. Oh.
Appreciate Kaiser for that.
Yep. Got it to us quickly. If you need any wheels for your sprint car, hit them up.
Kaiser. You don't have to be lonely. So what had happened was, I guess what you said, you were trying to push the front nose and it snapped it off.
Yeah.
And so that's the product of that. So now we can't get down to the bottom nerf on the rear end. It went clear over on top of the post, and we had to hand push it in, which is fun in a way. I'm out of breath. Easy fix.
Well, price is started.
We just moved it up, drilled a new hole, put it back in. Hopefully it clears. I'm gonna get on this side and start ratcheting the front on the right side.
I don't remember how we had this. I'm trying to.
Hit it cross, I know that for sure.
Yeah. Dale, yeah.
So we got the sprint car in, as you can see. Next is probably just the small stuff that we're trying to get together all in one area, as you can tell, and then load her up. And I think that should be it. Cross the fingers, unless we forget anything. I don't think it went too smoothly, right?
Except for the four-wheeler thing.
Except for that. That was only it's part of the team. It has to something has to
go wrong.
Something does have to go wrong at least once.
So
Not major.
I was about to say, I'm just thankful that it was something like that.
Yeah, not like nothing that will cause us to end the season early. You know,
Don't say that, please.
knock on wood over here, but
I'll be like freaking Bernie Sanders. Like, I'm once again asking for your money. You little hand-me-down $2.
I guess I'd run over your toes over there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Don't need those. Oh, calm down, you. Calm down. WD-40 and Parafrinos. Oh, brake
Bless
cleaner. All right, toolbox is in. Definitely need that.
I don't know why. Nobody knows how to fix anything.
You know. We just the main tool is the hammer. We just need that, which we haven't used.
Got a crescent wrench and a cutoff wheel, baby.
That's all you need. Is all you
You can
need.
build a whole S10 with that.
Matt, does Matt know anything about that? Shout out to Matt. The S10.
Yeah, I had one too.
You had S10?
I had my bagged one.
Ooh,
Remember?
can't see. Oh, I thought that was a Mighty. Is that?
I had the Mighty Max too.
Yeah, the Mighty Max was.
Mighty Max one's bagged.
Yeah. So you heard a ride with Tyler. There's gonna be a ride with James on the four-wheeler. You know, you can put your name somewhere, and it just goes to my hot dog fund. That's it. Hot dogs at the racetrack. That's all I need.
Get on it.
A little tight. Yep, you're good. Well, I think we might have room. Oh yeah.
Plenty.
Yeah, we got plenty of room.
Oh, yes.
It's like we've done this before.
Yeah.
Maybe 4 times.
Also, that fits perfect on the bumper now.
Oh yeah. Well, Well, I think she's just there. She's about there.
Just gotta grab the fuel cans like a wacky wavy arm inflatable guy.
I'm trying to sell a used car.
Yeah.
Totally forgot about the tires. Definitely gotta do the tires. They're somewhere yonder. You know, over there. Feels bad. Feels bad, man.
Sweet sticker on the back of the
Wait, hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, drop it. Not really. Ah, son of a biscuit. What? $388. She's loaded.
Those of you that watch late model racing, he's referring to Jackson Heist as this is his old trailer.
She's loaded-ish. Tires are going to go in the back of the truck, so he says.
Yeah, actually, what I'm thinking is maybe some of that ride with Tyler money can give me a tire rack.
Speaking of tire racks, let's take a look at the Yaris. Why don't we just put this on the back? If you guys care, he got it lifted. You got it lifted, right?
Oh, hell yeah, I do.
So he's got a little. It is.
Yeah. Got my ice tires on the front.
Ice Edge? Is that even?
Oh, that's a thing.
Okay. Even though you're going to be going through the.
Listen, they don't make a mud tire that small for that wheel.
Stay. That is actually pretty solid.
Got the KC lights on the front, my roof basket.
Yeah, she's ready to go. When is this again?
April 16th, I think. Something like that.
Why do I feel like I have to do something around that time? Regardless of the fact, hopefully you grab footage while you're down there.
Yeah, no, we took it off road already, a little testing.
Hopefully maybe I'll see some videos of this.
Yeah.
We'll
Get some relaxing video next time we're out on the kayak too.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if we want to keep racing on here unless we want to keep like vlogging every single.
Yeah, why not?
Who knows? We live kind of interesting lives.
I mean,
If you want to call it that.
I like to nap a lot.
Listen, there's actually a
hobby of mine.
thing on Twitch where people will literally watch you fall asleep and watch you sleep. And then, but the thing is, this is what they do. Hold on.
I'm pretty sure people got in trouble for hacking the cameras.
Yeah, probably. But this is what they do. They have like these things and alerts set up to where, excuse me, to where say someone donates $20, right? And it's just a loud, obnoxious freaking siren or a song, and they're waking up like out of their sleep. It's. Listen, I seen people make
I gotta go to work in the morning. I can't be doing crap like that.
Well, do you have a chance to make $3,000
Yeah, by going to work.
or sleeping? You get paid while you're sleeping.
All right, well.
Well, I mean, also you can just double down on a freaking check or whatever. That's
All
it.
right, I'm in.
All right. All right. Son of a bitch, you got me. We also gotta go get fuel. So we're gonna go run and go do that, go grab some food, and then that should probably be the end of it. Right, Tyler? And that's pretty much the end of it.
What?
Go grab fuel,
Yes.
and
That's about it.
fuel for the car and fuel for us because we're hungry.
Hungry. We hungry.
We're hungry. All right. Until next time. We'll see you guys at I really thought you were doing
Nah,
this.
I was going.
We'll see you guys at Hendry.